y'all doing? Hope you guys are having a good Easter weekend. About to go get some gas for the car and for myself. Nah, I'm kidding. I don't do drugs, okay? Don't do drugs, kids. And then we're gonna go on some nighttime drive around the city on Sports Plus, of course. And then you're gonna be hearing some commentary as well. Typical. All right, gotta make sure everything's set. Yeah, sweet, ready to roll. Yes, I hope everyone's having a good weekend so far. Let me know what's new. Feel free to drop comments. What'd you guys do this weekend? Let me know, because I could tell you guys what I did for sure. Went on a drive, shot YouTube videos. That's it. It's like my one main hobby, man. Don't do anything else. And I wish I was lying too. I'm gonna try to get some daytime shots tomorrow for you guys. Find see if I can find some back roads and some bendy roads and some twists and turns and all that. Fiat. Let's see if I can get some music on this. It's too quiet, man. It's way too quiet right now. Play some nice jams for you guys. Nah. We're not playing that right now. Okay, so we're just pulling up to the gas station. I'm just gonna cut it here real quick, get some gas, and then we're gonna keep going. Oh, I got to wind up for this, man. What? Woo! God damn. God damn. God damn. That was cold. That was too cold. Too cold. Oh shit. Start heading back. I'm the only person I know who eats at 12 a.m. or eats a whole meal at 12 a.m. That's my dinner. I don't even know what it's called, whether to call it breakfast or dinner or in between. Okay, let's do this one time. One time. All right. Alright people, this sums up the night drive. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. More content coming in the summertime. As soon as it starts to get warm, you know we're going to be driving out some more, going to some more back roads. We're going to even have a track day with some 911 GT3 RSs, me and my boys, Stan West. You know how we do, you know how we roll. Alright. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate y'all.